Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I know you guys are waiting to see who is going to win the class session that we're going to be doing next week. So I've got everybody's name into the wheel of names. We've got 9 folks that have submitted photos over in Crafty Challenge on my Discord, and we're going to go ahead and spin to see who is going to win that class. So let's go ahead and give that one a whirl. And the winner is Donna. Congratulations, Donna. Donna is going to be winning that card class. So I'm going to be emailing you. I think I've got your email address, but if I don't, please message me over in Discord so that I can get you the information to be able to register and get your class for free. I will be providing you with a coupon code good for that class. So anyway, welcome, and anyway, congratulations. I am not doing well on my words today. I am just a little bit tired. Anyway, I will see you in the class on Sunday, and in the meantime, I will be seeing you guys all in some videos this next week, and of course on our live stream on Tuesday. So thank you so much for participating in this giveaway. I'll have a new challenge up soon, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.